How to use promo codes on Polybuzz AI. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to use your unique codes or your promo codes on Polybuzz AI. Now this is very easy. All you just have to do is to switch or choose any specification of the subscription that you would like to have on Polybuzz AI because that's the most convenient way on using or entering your promo code. Now go into polybuzz.ai official website and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to click on your profile picture at the top right. This will redirect you to your account menu. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to choose between basic, premium, or ultimate. Now once you've successfully chosen your preferred subscription, you will automatically be redirected into the payment method by entering your credentials, maybe your credit card or any payment method that you prefer using. And then from there, just simply hit on apply and using promo codes, enter your code, and you're good to go. And that is how you use promo codes on Polybuzz AI.